Hey, this is Michael Wittig, Kaged Muscle athlete, an IPE Natural Men's Physique Pro, and 2-time champion. I'm going to share my favorite Kaged Muscle stack while prepping for contests. These items I feel are most important when I'm cutting body fat. Number one, that post-workout recage. Now I have 1 scoop of this immediately after every workout. Not only does it have fast digesting whey, but also other ingredients to help you recover like glutamine and creatine HCl. Not to be confused with my number 2, the new Kaged Muscle Whey Isolate. Now I have 1 scoop of this immediately upon waking when I'm building or cutting. And because of the timing of my breakfast and when I work out, I also have 1 scoop at the beginning of every workout. Number 3, you know, pre-caged. I have to have this. I've been having pre-caged for the last 2 years without cycling off. I have 1 scoop of this between 20 and 30 minutes before every workout. It helps me perform at my best. And lastly, but not least, Kaged Muscle Hydra Charge. When I'm in contest prep and cutting body fat, I drink lots of water. At least 16 to 20 ounces with all my meals and between all my meals, so lots. This makes it awesome, and depending on the time of day, I'll also add glutamine. I might add creatine HCl, citrulline, or I'll have a pure calf organic caffeine cap. The flavoring system makes it doable, makes it awesome. That is how I do my Kaged Muscle stack. How do you stack your Kaged Muscle?